Check out the size of these. Tonight we're cooking some raw Headon shrimp here. Looks like it's from Vietnam. Vietnam, huh? Okay. Throw in the XO jar. Hi, it's New Year's Eve right now, and my mom came from all the way from Vancouver. And there's so many Asians there. If you look on Google Maps, it actually says one Goa. Okay, so tonight we're gonna have these Headon shrimp, which are huge. Look at that. Yeah, they're from Vietnam.
Yeah.
And then
Crab.
some vegetables. And this one is actually. We don't need the translation. This is a Vietnamese soup with shrimp. Yeah, we actually use the shrimp as broth, and then this more vegetable. So Corey, you want to try this with Daddy?
No.
Do you know how much this costs? Okay, we try. Okay. Look at that.
Ooh, wow.
Just try, Corey.
Nice haircut, Corey. Nice haircut.
Oh, yeah. Very handsome. Những nhà mối mối. Yeah, 靚仔.
Mối mối xì hả?
Mối mối xíu xíu. Mối mối同婆婆.
Look at this.
Hi, Happy New Year. Yeah.拍手. Yeah. Wow. 好多菇啊.
Oh yeah. Let's try it. Do you want?
She's like, yeah, right. You're not.
Actually tastes like lobster. It's like an oversized shrimp. It's a lobster, basically.
Yeah. Lobster. Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyways, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
New Year's.
Corey, Happy New Year.